Alright, time to replace the wheel speed sensors on this Mercedes R350. Let's get started. Start by removing the wheels. Okay, so right here, I'm gonna start. I already pulled the pin up just so you guys will know. You take a little flathead screwdriver, you can pop it out. So once you pull this little pin here out, you just unplug the sensor like so. There's the sensor. And follow it down and remove it from the clips. Then as you can see, next to the rotor, there's an 8mm. Remove that one. And you pull it straight out. Now I have the new one installed. You just run it back the same route that you took the old one out. Hold it down with the 8mm. And while I'm here, I'm going to go ahead and change these brake pads. You can see they're pretty close to being done. So I'm going to go ahead and replace the brake pads in there. Okay, and I'm not going to bother doing a video on how to replace the brakes. They have 1,000 videos on that. But this is a 9mm Allen wrench that you will use to back the boat out. As you can see, these brakes was teetering right on the end of life. That's about all they had left in them. Gotta get your money's worth on them tomorrow. Alright, driver's side done, and now I'm off to the passenger side, and you're basically gonna do the same thing you did on the driver's side. So that's it for me. Hope that helps.